Bubba.
It's Bubba! Hi, Bubba. Oh, Bubba's off on another adventure today. I wonder where Bubba... Bubba, what are you doing? Oh, no, Bubba. Oh, Bubba has a letter on his head. What letter does Bubba have on his head? It's a U, like umbrella. There it goes. And here's Bubba. Oh, Bubba has another letter. It is, an H. Hat. The smiley face is wearing a hat. Oh, look, a Jeep. And there is Bubba, way in the back. Uh-oh, Bubba has another letter. It's an A, like apple. An apple. Hey, no jumping, apple. Apple? Where's Bubba gonna go with that A? I wonder. Bubba is having a lot of fun. Oh, look, an orange bunny. And off goes Bubba on a secret mission. See you later, Bubba. There's Bubba again with another letter. What is it? It's a B. A B like ball. There goes the ball, and there goes Bubba. See you later. Hi, Bubba. Another B. That's a little B. A B like balloon. There are balloons. And there goes Bubba. Where's Bubba? There Bubba is, pushing a big B. Like box. A big B that Bubba is pushing. There's the B. There's a U. Cool, Bubba. What are you doing with these letters? Another B. What is Bubba up to? Oh, another B. That's the little tiny one. Now Bubba is pushing the A. Oh, one more letter left. Bubba is pushing the H. I know what Bubba is doing. Bubba is spelling out his name. Bubbah. That spells Bubba. Oh, Bubba wants to put his letters on the fridge. Okay, Bubba, time to put the letters on the fridge. Starting with big B, then U, then B, then B, then A, then H. Bubbah spells Bubba. Bubba spelled out the letters just like he wanted. But that B is too small. Much better. Now it's time for bed. Bye-bye, Bubba.
Bye-bye.